Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Ayan, so right now guys, ayan, kami guys, gumising kami ng maaga kasi magbabakasyon kami. Malapit lang, magro-road trip lang kami, pero we're going to spend one night in somewhere here sa part ng north of Cebu guys. Kasi wala kaming plano, pero biglaan lang kagabi, bigla lang nagdesisyon yung asawa ko na mag-overnight kami somewhere kasi naboboard na kami dito sa bahay guys. Kasi 3 months na kaming hindi nakabakasyon kasi nga meron kaming mga unexpected mga happenings. So ngayon papunta kami ngayon sa north of Cebu guys, pero di namin alam kung saan. So ayan, magro-road trip lang kami and we'll see kung meron kaming mahanap na place later or hotel or resort by the beach. So ayan, so right now ayun, tumatakbo na kami guys, pero di pa namin alam kung saan kami really pupunta for overnight stay tonight. So ayan, samahan nyo lang kami ngayon guys. Anyway, nagre-research pala kami kagabi guys at meron kaming nakita na magandang resort. Nakapunta na kami dati pero matagal na yon. So ngayon subukan naming dumaan doon kung ano. So ang tawag ng resort guys is Ilma Resort. Doon yon banda sa may north of Cebu. So ayun, pupunta kami ngayon doon guys. So ayun, samahan nyo kami ngayon guys. Let's go! Jollibee Danao. Ayan, so we're here now guys, here in Danao sa Jollibee kasi magbe-breakfast muna kami guys kasi wala kaming breakfast. So ayan, tigil kami dito guys for breakfast. So ayan, maaga pa rin naman eh. So di pa kami makapag-check-in doon sa hotel na binubok namin kasi maaga pa. So magtigil-tigil muna kami kung saan guys. So ngayon dito kami sa Jollibee sa may bandang Danao guys. We're going to take breakfast here. Let's go. Hello. Oi.
Sure? Here.
Let's go eat guys. Gutom ako. So kain na tayo guys. Umorder ako ng mango peach pie, tapos 2 regular burger, tapos 1 piece chicken. At yung asawa ko is Jolly hot dog, tapos fries, with fries siya.
I never thought that Friday is the weekend. Ilma is
We're here na guys sa Ilma Resort Hotel. Ayan. Wow.
putang ang gwapa ang babae, dira. Ang gwapa ang babae, kani ako ang para. Walang gwapa, wala.
Mga ni entrance? Okay. Ah.
Piolo apelido Pascual. Piolo Pascual. Yeah. Piolo Pascual.
Turn left.
So let's go na guys. Excited. So we're here. So pangalawang beses na naming bumisita ngayon dito sa Elmar guys. But I don't really remember kung kailan yung una. Mga 3 years ago na yata. So ngayon babay kami dito guys. Para lang mag-overnight lang kami ngayon dito. At tomorrow, kung may mahanap naman kaming ibang magandang place for overnight again. So we'll see kung maghanap or makakita kami bukas ng another magandang place dito lang around sa north side of Cebu.
But we cannot park. I need to go back. Bring the bag and like this.
Wow, thank you. Hello. Yeah, Joseph Bonvin.
For checking.
Yeah,
Joseph.
Bonvin.
Right.
Oh, bila kog diri sa taas, dili de. Okay. Diara lang na. Oh, baby. Thank you.
But fake and ballast. Yeah, puti but fake and dolomite.
Yeah. Parang dulo mo.
Bye-bye. This one, walang suspension.
Yeah, it's walked and it's that's why
Asa na bit?
Huwag kasi mana.
Yeah.
Kabalo na sa sulti o
But walang buhok sa taas, but sa baba meron ng ulo.
That's why.
Diba?
It looks like you'll stay here the whole time. So,
Uy, ako halibak lagi. No, I'm joking.
This is the infinity pool.
Yeah, but we've been here before.
You've been here before.
Yeah. For me, I'm where is the Tanduay? The infinity pool.
That's why it's Lapo.
Kafu, wala bar.
Ang lay na ang restaurant.
Last time was closed.
Ada inyong pamahaw. You know what is pamahaw?
No, hindi ka sa
Breakfast. Anak ka diya mamahaw.
Yeah, that's why you say
Mamahaw.
the same but different place. That's dolomite and the ballast, huh?
Tampak. Oh, deluxe too. I thought it's deluxe. I thought it's over here.
You luck out when you leave the car here and I manage. I bring you back tomorrow 12 o'clock, okay?
There's your room.
Oh, wow.
How come it's not ready?
Yeah, merge the bed.
There's the bed, sir.
You merge the bed and if meron sa baba, you merge.
So, ayan, ito yung room namin dito ngayon sa Elmar, guys. Thank you, kuya.
Thank you,
By the way, I'm Miguel.
Oh, Miguel.
Yo lo apelido Pascual.
Hello. Thank you. Pila ka restaurant open? Open tong diha, no? Wala na. Dito ra? Ah, okay. So, right now guys, ayan, kakapasok lang namin ngayon dito sa kwarto namin dito sa Elmar Resort, guys. At ang laki ng room. How many square meter, darling? 94 square meter ang room, guys. At ang, wow, ang ganda, ang social, guys. At ang laki ng bed at ang kapal pa. Wow, ang tigas ng kama. Wow. So, ayan, usually 2 bed siya, guys. Pero pinagawa namin na isa lang kasi isa lang naman yung ano namin. Mag-asawa naman kami. So, ayun. Yan yung CR. Grabe, ang laki. So, ito, guys. Meron silang binigay na. Wow! So, sa ganda, oh. So, free. Wow, ganda ng flower kalachuchi. Wow, ganda ng design dito, guys. Of course, merong ganito tissue. Ayan. So, merong 2 seats dyan. Wow. At ang laki ng TV. Ayan. So, ayan, meron silang syempre, of course, mga ganito. Coffee and tea, guys. Ayan. Water, of course. What's in here? Oh, ref. Lucky they got ref. Oh. Okay, then. What is this? Oh, this one, I think it's not free. Oh, yeah. So, ayan. So, let's go to the CR, guys. Wow, grabe. Ang laki ng CR, Socialin. Wow! So, dito yung, ayan, may lababo, tapos ayan, may blower pa dyan. Tapos, nakahiwalay yung shower sa bowl. Ayan. So, yan yung gusto ko sa mga CR, guys. Dapat nakahiwalay yung ganito doon sa shower. Ayan. So, merong, wow! Ganda. So, hey, darling, I'm doing like this later, guys. Lumabas pala yung asawa ko. Ang laki ng vase. Wow, ang ganda ng CR, guys. So, meron silang they got safe here if you want to put something. And sleeper. And yeah, that's it. So, ayan. Yan lang, guys. Wow, grabe. Gusto ko ang CR nila. Grabe. At, of course, meron silang, yeah, as usual sa mga hotels, ayan. So, merong ganito. Bath gel and shampoo. So, ayan lang, guys. Grabe, ang laki ng room, ang laki ng CR. So, wow.